I'm Chad and this is Goodwood, and today we're going to be talking about beams and box beams. So whether we're talking about regular authentic beams or just box beams, each one goes through a process. They are all surface dennailed, then they get pressure washed, and then they also get kiln dried, and that kills off any living organism that might be within the grain. All right, so the first one that we're going to talk about is the regular beam. This one in particular is a red oak. You can tell by the grain pattern on the ends. This one is also hand hewn. So the main focal point of having a regular beam and not opposed to a box beam is the authenticity of it, and plus the story that lies behind it as well. The difference between a box beam and a regular beam is, for starters, it's more applicable and it makes a little bit more sense, especially the practicality of it. If you don't have a lot of extra hands and you're deciding to tackle this on a weekend, it's a lot easier to maneuver one of these or even bring it into the house compared to a full-size solid beam or mantle. The difference is obviously it's hollow. It is red oak just like this is, and it also was originally a beam as well. As you can see, it's hand hewn, but we just skin it to 1 inch thick and then bevel it on the sides and turn it into a much more manageable faux beam. So the one thing that both of them will have in common is the chances that you'll have of a mortise pocket or a peg hole. In the solid beams, you'll definitely have mortise pockets and peg holes, and we try to keep it to a minimum with the box beams, just because obviously you would be able to see internally into the beam if we allowed every mortise pocket to be exposed. But you will get some holes. So in this case we have one here. A good way to fix that is just to put maybe some black roofing paper or felt behind there. Therefore it'll hide any light that would shine through. But you will definitely get those with the box beams. So that's the difference between a regular beam and a faux box beam. If you do have any other questions, give us a call here at Old Wood Limited. We'll certainly help you out. And thanks for watching Goodwood.